Just removed the top pieces of the water heater. I got a regular garden hose plugged into the bottom piece to drain out the water of the General Electric smart water heater. It's leaking from the top, so we gotta replace the whole thing. Sucks. Then detach the gas lines. Typically it's just a knob that you turn sideways, turn it the other way, it lets flow of the gas come through. I want to detach this piece over here, and make sure that before you do all that, obviously you want to make sure that the pilot light's off. See, it's got the little notch in it, shows how to do it. Just draining the water from the hot water heater. It looks like it's completely empty. You can tell by the fact that there's no water draining out the other side. You don't need a hose this long, but fuck it. The water heater out. It looks like it's drying up pretty good. Get the shop vac, cleaned it out. Pretty decent. Good job. Now we're gonna install the 40-gallon water heater.